So if you're trying to meal prep, the number one thing you need to do first is figure out your container. So finding the best way to get a similar sized Tupperware or glassware or some kind of portable food scenario is going to help you control portions. The biggest question I get with meal prepping is like, well, how much do I make? Well, you know, there's a lot of rules of thumb you can use. One is you can try and eat meals that are the size of your fist. If you're trying to like lose weight or maintain weight, that's a good one. That's really, really low hanging fruit. A really good thing to do is when you get your Tupperware set, be able to go, okay, this is about the size of what I should be eating at a certain amount of time. This will help because depending upon what your dinnerware is at home, or if you're leaving it up to fast food restaurants to determine your portions, you could be eating way too much or not enough of many things, you know? So if you want to split up a Tupperware and go, okay, well, I'll have half of it be, you know, cauliflower rice, and then I'll have, you know, another quarter of it be, you know, meat, and quarter of it be veggies. That is a really simple way to visualize what you're eating. And then let's take you outside of your meal prep. Now you're at lunch and you're out at a restaurant and you can look at your plate and go, man, this thing is like 90% carbs. Maybe I shouldn't eat the whole thing. Maybe I'll take it home, or maybe I'll split it with a friend. This is gonna help encourage you to build up a way of eating and not just a hardcore doctrine of like meal prep. Because meal prep is supposed to be a platform in order for you to just make better choices all the time. One thing that I'll use our Zeal protein when I'm trying to fit in an extra meal and I just need it to be fast, I don't want to think too hard, boom, protein shake. Now, a protein shake should be not your entire diet, so I would still recommend having at least 3 or 4 of your meals planned during the day, but a protein shake can be a really good filler for 1 or 2 of those meals if need be.